In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI image to image so you can turn a simple reference image into something new, polished, and creative. This is a great workflow if you want to redesign a photo, create consistent variations, or use an existing image as the base for your AI art. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open Leonardo AI in your browser and go to your workspace. Once you're inside, look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen and click it. This is where you'll access the image-to-image workflow and start building your generation settings. Next, choose your preferred model. Leonardo AI offers different models, and the one you select can affect the style, realism, and overall look of your results. If you want a more detailed or realistic output, choose a model that matches that goal. If you want a more artistic or stylized result, pick a model that leans in that direction. The model matters because it helps define how your reference image will be transformed. After that, set your quality. Higher quality usually gives you more detailed results, but it can also take a bit longer depending on the settings and the image you're generating. If you're testing ideas, you can start with a lower or medium setting. If you want a final polished result, increase the quality for the best output. Now you can set your style if you want to. This step is optional, but it can be very useful if you want a specific visual look. For example, you might want something cinematic, realistic, fantasy-inspired, or more graphic and stylized. If you already have a strong reference image, you may not need to push the style too much. But if you want the AI to add more creative interpretation, this is a great place to do it. Then set the image dimensions. This is important because the aspect ratio will affect how your final image looks. If you want a square image for social media, choose a square format. If you want something for a YouTube thumbnail, banner, or widescreen design, choose the dimensions that match your target use case. Getting the size right before generating saves time later. Next, choose the number of generations you want. If you only want a few options, keep it low. If you want several different versions to compare, increase the number of generations so Leonardo AI can create multiple outputs for you at once. This is especially helpful when you're experimenting and trying to find the best result. Now look for the text prompt bar. This is where you'll describe exactly what you want Leonardo AI to create. Be specific with your prompt because the more detail you give, the better the AI can understand your goal. Mention the subject, style, lighting, mood, background, and any important visual details you want included. Before you generate, you can also upload an image reference. Use the upload button, then select and upload a photo from your local storage. This is the key step in image to image because the uploaded image gives Leonardo AI a visual starting point. You can use a photo, a sketch, a product shot, or any image that you want the AI to reimagine or enhance. Once your reference image is uploaded and your prompt is ready, it's time to generate. Type your text prompt into the prompt bar, make sure your settings look right, and then click Generate. Leonardo AI will process your reference image and your prompt together, then create a new AI image based on those instructions. After the generation finishes, review the results carefully. If the first version isn't exactly what you wanted, don't worry. You can adjust your prompt, change the model, tweak the quality, or modify the style and run it again. That's one of the best parts of Leonardo AI image to image. You can keep refining until you get the look you want, and that's the full workflow. Open Leonardo AI. Go to the image menu, choose your model, set your quality, style, dimensions, and number of generations. Upload your reference image, write your prompt, and click Generate. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and it can save you a ton of time when creating AI visuals. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.